everyone and good afternoon to all of you. Today we have problem which name is diagonal traverse to Leetcode 1424 problem. So before going forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel. And also it's my advice to all of you that please read the problem and try to build up the intuition and also try to do the code. Then it will be beneficial for you. If you simply see this video, then you will do the code, it will not be beneficial for you. You will learn nothing. So first try it by yourself, then do see this video if you will stuck at any point. Okay, let's go on to the problem statement. The problem is saying that we have given a nums array. We have to return the all elements of nums in diagonal order of as shown in the below image. So we have given this matrix. So we have to return the all diagonal elements like 1, then 4, 2, then 7, 5, 3, then 8, 6, then 9. As you can see this example. So let's see the example 2. Here some elements are not given. As you can see, this element, then this element, this element. Some elements are not given, but we have to return the diagonal elements. So first approach that it comes in our mind is we can use two pointers and we can use a mathematical approach by increasing the ith pointer or decreasing the jth pointer. Then we can use that approach, but it will not satisfy our constraints. And here you can see some elements are not given. In that case, if you use two pointer approach, you will find null space, means null pointers like this. Here no element are given. So you will find a null element. So how you will handle that? So let's optimize that approach and see beyond this. So let's go on to the approach part. Here you can see we have given a matrix. Huh? So firstly, what I will do is I will see the indexes. Huh? I can use the indexes only. I can't use anything because here we know that if I want to push this element in our answer vector, what I will do? I will use 0th index. Then I have to push these two elements. So as you can see, 1 0 and 0 1. Here can be can you here you can find a similarity, huh? Then you have to push these three elements. So here you can see 2 0, 2, this element is 2 0, and this element is 1 1, and this element is 0 2. If you add these indexes 2 0 2, 1 1 2, 0 2 2, you will find the similarity. Here the sum of the indexes are same. So this can be the intuition. So let's see. If we make the 5 cross 5 matrix, we are starting from the 0th index. We will see 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 like this. We 1 0 1 0 1 1, and we will add these indexes. Why I am adding these indexes? Because I have to create the map. Because if I want to push the element in our answer vector, so like this, let's take this example. If I want to push these two elements, so what I will do, I'll see this is the 1 comma 0th index and this is 0 comma 1th index. These two indexes are same, so I can push these are key values. So what I can do is I can store the key values in map. So इन आंसर वेक्टर आई विल सी, अगर ये की वैल्यू मेरे को जैसे बन या और बन, यहाँ पे भी बन आ रहा है, यहाँ पे भी बन आ रहा है समेशन में. सो अगर ये बन आता है तो मेरे को ये वाले जो वेक्टर है ये वाला पुश कर देना है मेरे को आंसर वाले वेक्टर पे. ये मैं कर रहा हूँ. सो इन दिस what I am doing is 0 0 0 1 0 2. I am writing the indexes and the sum of the indexes, the 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 2 2 like this, 1 0 1 like this. Okay, then you can see here is 0, here is 1 1, here is 2 2 2, here is 3 3 3. Here you are finding a similarity. So sum is, if we go in this direction, in this diagonal direction, this direction, what is the direction of this? Whatever is this, huh? You can see. So sum is same. If we go in this direction, the sum is same. But interview can ask you about this direction. If we go in this direction, then what will happen? Then we can see in this direction, if I go, then we can see 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Then 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. So here in this direction, the difference is same. And in this direction, if we go in this direction, the sum is same. So this is the main intuition for this. Now what I will do, I will push the key. I will push the key in map with corresponding value. And finally, I will store the values in our answer vector. So now you know why we are using map and why we are using this approach. Because I have told you about the beginner level to advanced level approach. Huh? Now let's do the code. Then you will understand proper. So let's go on to the coding part. So in this, what I will do, let's see, I have to find the maximum sum also. Maximum sum of the indexes. Here the maximum sum of the indexes is 4 comma 4 8. So that in that case, it will be useful. I will explain you in this video. Let's find the int sum equals to 0. I am initializing the sum equals to 0. Then what I will do, I have to create the answer vector in answer. Yes, that we have to return. Okay, so let's create the unordered map of int comma key is, if my key is 1, if my key is 1, then corresponding vector is this, then this elements is this and this. If my key is 2, then corresponding values is this. So how we can write these values? We can use vector. So vector int map. Now what I will do, I can traverse from this direction like this. Let's see the cursor from this direction, or I can traverse from this direction. So let's traverse for int int I equals to nums dot size minus 1 to I greater than equals to 0, then I minus. And if I am going from the back, so next pointer I have to go from the start. So for int I equals to 0 to I less than, no, it's j equals to 0 to j less than nums of I dot size, that particular index dot size, and I, sorry, j plus plus. Now what I will do, I have to find the maximum sum of the indexes. So how we can find? Firstly, find the maximum sum equals to maximum of sum comma I plus j. That will give me the maximum sum. It will be useful. I will explain you why I am taking the maximum sum. Okay. Now what I will do, I have to store the key. Key is my indexes sum of the indexes. I have to store the keys in my map. So now what I will do, map of I plus j. This will give me the index sum dot pushback of nums of I और j. In this what I am doing is, मैं उस की के corresponding उस value को store करा रहा हूँ. I am storing the value corresponding that key. If my key is like, if let's see this example, what I am doing is, if I am on this index I plus j, this index, this is a 0 1 0, so 1 0, this will be, my key will be 1, and here my key also will be 1 because 0 1 1. So what I am doing is, I am storing these values. If I am 101, then I will store 4. If I am 101, I will store 2. And this will all in the vector form. Okay. This is the main thing that you have to understand. Okay. Now after this loop, what I will do, I have stored the values corresponding to the key. Now what I will do, I will traverse for int I equals to 0, I less than sum, then I plus plus. That's why I initialized sum, because now it will be useful. How many times it will run? Let's see what will happen now. For auto I belongs to, I am using I. Okay, it can be element belongs to, I am taking the element map of I. Now in this, what I am doing is, let's write the code, then I will explain you why I am writing like this. Answer dot push back of that element, and finally I will return our answer. Done. Why I wrote this statement? So let's see. I have the maximum sum. This should be I less than equals to, actually, because as you can see, sum is starting from 0 and it is going up to 8. So it is starting from 0 to I less than equals to sum. Okay, now what I'm doing is my I equals to 0, I equals to 0. So map of 0 के करस्पॉन्डिंग कौन सा एलिमेंट है? 1 वाला एलिमेंट है. 1 वाले एलिमेंट को मैं इसमें पुश कर दूंगा. नाउ इफ माई I equals to 1, I equals to 1, so map of 1 के corresponding these two elements are here, because in this map of 1 के corresponding कौन सा एलिमेंट है? I have written in this map of integer comma vector int. Map of 1 के corresponding these two elements are here. ये दो एलिमेंट है मैप ऑफ 1 के corresponding 4 और 2. सो 4 और 2 को मैं इसमें डाल दूंगा. इफ माई I equals to 3, देन map of 3 के corresponding कौन कौन से एलिमेंट है? ये और ये. That's why I wrote like this. Now I think you understand why I wrote like this. Okay, so let's run this code and see if this will run or not. It is giving some wrong answer. Let's see why it is giving some wrong answer. I equals to 0 a map of I answer dot pushback. This is the I uh, I greater than equals to 0. Let's see now. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this. Yeah, it is working perfect. So now let's discuss about time and space complexity for this. So the space complexity will be big O of n, because we are using unordered map. Huh? Done. Now let's discuss about time complexity. You will see we are using two loops. So time complexity should be big O of n square, but it is not like that. We are traversing the whole matrix. Like we are traversing from this direction to this direction. Means we are traversing to all the elements in the matrix. So the time complexity will be big O of n. Don't confuse in this, because we are using two loops, so big O of n square should be time complexity. It is not like that. We are only traversing the whole matrix. That's why our time complexity is big O of n square. Big O of n, sorry. So our time complexity is big O of n, and our space complexity is big O of n. And n is the number of elements in this matrix. So this is the main point. N is the number of elements. Okay. So we can optimize this also. If you know another approaches for this, you can comment. We can optimize this. I am saying you, but now it's your task to optimize this. I will not do the code for optimization. It is optimized code. Okay, big often is a very good solution, but it can be optimized. Now it's your task to think how we can optimize this code. Okay, and if you like this video, if you find helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. And also please like, yeah. Okay, सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ नहीं रहा है. प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर जरूर करना. ठीक है. बाय.